Hi, I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Ganoksin Studios in Boston, Massachusetts. And another bench trick. And this one is about what we can do with an ordinary pencil. Drill down through the graphite, making sure that my fingers are not on the other side of the drill bit. Trying to stay centered. Well, I may not be perfect. That's okay. There we go. If I pop out, not in the center. Oh, got lucky today. And so that's now in the center. And let's see if my burr fits. It does. I think I could use it just a little bit looser. Not much looser. There we go. That's better. And now I have a wooden insulated handle with a graphite lubricated core. I have a tool that gives me absolute tight control over the end of the burr. And the graphite keeps it smooth, running smooth, and the wood keeps my fingers from getting hot. And we now have a really nice addition to our flex shaft.